Good morning, students. So, today's lecture for your class is notice writing. Notice writing is a short composition that comes under your writing section. So, first of all, what is a notice? A notice is a very short piece of writing which is usually formal in style. It is widely used by individuals and organizations to announce events and celebrations, births and deaths, occasions like inaugurations or sales, to issue public instructions, to make appeals, and to extend invitations. But for you students, you know that you must have seen most of the notices on your school notice boards. So notices are meant to be pinned up or pasted on special assigned notice board meant for the purpose. Notice can be from your school authority also, and it could be usually from government departments, and it could also appear in newspapers. But for you people as a student, we prefer notice writing for the school notice board. So what should be the points that you have to include while writing notice? So first of all, students, you know that for notice writing, name of the organization, institution or office issuing it. It should be on the top of the notice writing. Then the word notice. And then date of issuing the notice. After that, a suitable description or eye-catching caption or heading indicating the purpose for which it has been written. Means for calling a meeting, drawing attention, making an appeal, or informing general public instruction. Then in the body, in the content of that notice, there should be details of schedule, means date, time, venue, program, duration, etc. in case the notice is about an event. And at the last, in the leftmost side, signature, name or designation of the person issuing the notice. And in the last, you have to put the notice in the box. So all the short compositions, we have to put them under the box. So students, these are the value points for a notice. So for meeting, what could be the value points? For events, then tours, fairs, exhibitions or camps, change of name, lost and found. All these could be the subject of notice writing, and under that subject what value points you have to consider that are given here. Now some of the important points to remember while writing notice. Capital letters may be used for writing such details as names of organization, captions, date, time and venue. So the most preferred place for writing the date of notice is on the left hand side between the word notice and the subject. So it should be in your mind, you can write both ways, notice at the top or name of the institution at the second place, or vice versa, means name of the institution at first place and notice at the second place. It is up to you. Then the signature of the issuing authority. It should be on the left hand side below the body of the notice. It should be followed by the name in a bracket and designation of the person. So The next point you have to remember that in the body of the notice or in the content of the notice, you have to be impersonal. Means you have to follow the third person account. A notice is written in a complete sentence. Sometimes incomplete sentences and phrases may be accepted as exceptions. And then choice of tense will depend on the nature of the notice. For example, in a notice announcing an event, future time references will be used more than any other tense forms. Now students, because this is the short compositions, so you have to follow the word limit, that is maximum 50 words, not more than that. And box should always be drawn last of all. So this is the format of a notice. So see clearly, the date is mentioned, where to mention the date, and then notice, all this. Okay students, now a sample notice for you. 50 words. You are Students Union Advisor of Anna Memorial School, Madras. Write an election notice inviting nomination for the post of President, Secretary and Treasurer of the Students Union. Give all necessary details. So students, you can see first of all, notice is written, or you can write the name of the institution. Here it is the name of the school, Anna Memorial School, Madras. Then notice, then date, and then subject. After subjects, the body of the notice starts, and you can see that it is impersonal. And in the leftmost side at the end, there is the name and signature. So that's all about the notice writing. So now one question of writing notice is there for you to practice. You have to write in your notebooks, you are Deepak Kumar, Secretary, History Society, DAV School, Dehradun. Write a notice for the school notice board inviting names for a trip to Rajasthan that the society proposes to organize. Give all necessary details. Word limit 50. So thank you students. Enjoy yourself.